Hey guys, greetings. How you doing? I hope you are doing well. Welcome to Vinyl TV. If you are new to this channel, and if you are, please consider subscribing. Thank you very much indeed for stopping by. Thank you very much indeed for clicking. What we have here is HP 6000 series, 6020 to be precise. This printer is multifunctional, multitask, triple-in-one if you like, in the sense that you can copy, scan and print from this printer. This printer is made for many and loved by all. It's nice gear. You can get up to 3 months instant ink with this printer free of charge once you register and subscribe to HP service. But you need to make sure you choose the package or the plan you like. You can cancel it at any time. It's not free of charge. You need to subscribe to hpinstantink.com to be able to receive the service. This printer, you can print out two-sided printing, which I'm going to show you at some point. Printing out two-sided printing will save some paper for you, and also registering for HP service, you can get up to 70% on ink. Basically, they will deliver the ink to your home door. You can cancel it at any time you like. I just want to tour this printer with you. This printer, you turn it on and off at the back here. This is the power cable. This spot here is for USB cable. Unfortunately, this printer doesn't have USB cable. It doesn't come with a USB cable, so you need to get one if you need to use one. But these days they expect you to use this printer via wireless or via cableless. If you have internet at home with your smartphone, you can use this printer perfectly. Also, if you connect your computer wireless at home, once your computer and this printer is connected to the same network, you should be able to send the document, scan a document wireless with this printer. Okay, this is the USB cable. I'm gonna put up a link how to get this cable on amazon.co.uk or from eBay underneath the description of this video. So the USB cable goes over here. It's universal. Basically, Canon can use it, Epson can use it, Brothers, other printers can use it. So this section, this flat section, goes to your PC. Okay, I'm gonna take this off. Okay, so this is the scanner for this printer. So you stick your document on top of the scanner, it will do the job. Okay, and also right here, this printer is not yet connected to a Wi-Fi network. If it's connected to Wi-Fi network, then you will see the functions here. We'll have information light, cancel, okay, resume, and also for you to select copy, black and color on this. Okay, so if you look over here, I want to bring the camera down. Over here, this is the cancel button. This is the information light. Also, Wi-Fi light is here. It's not yet showing. And also here is for you to resume. This is the copy, color, and also to copy, black. Okay, so I'm going to load the ink cartridges. Okay, and also once we load the ink cartridges, what we need to do is also connect this printer to Wi-Fi network, and we'll go from there. Okay, so right now, to load the ink cartridges, we need to open this up. Okay, if you open it up, what we need to do is make sure that it's right here for you to see. Now, the color goes to the left, the black goes to the right. Okay, so this is the first thing to know. So this printer is using 305 original HP ink cartridges. Okay, and to load the ink cartridges, open it up. Okay, so once you open it up, This is the color, okay, and it goes in, okay. You go push it in, okay. You can use 2 hands to do this. Also, just make sure you lap it and push it. You will hear a click sound to show you that this ink is in, okay. And do the same thing to the black. Okay, so this is the ink cartridges 305 black. Okay, and what you need to do is, okay, with this ink you go in straight, okay, push it in, and you can see, if you look over here, you make sure the ink is in black and color. To take it off, you open this, it will come out straight away. Okay, so you push it, you hear a click sound, push it, you hear a click sound. This is how to load the ink cartridges, and once you've done that, you close this, okay, cover, close the cover down, and it will set and ready for use. This is how to load the ink cartridge. So what I'm going to do is close this cover down, you close it down, and what it will do, it will move away from there. Okay, you can see it moves from the middle and goes to the corner. Okay, this is how to load the ink cartridges. I want to show you also one thing. If you have a paper jam on this printer, sometimes people ask me, how do you check the paper jam? If you have any paper jam, open up this section, okay, and like I said, once you open it up, the ink cartridges will come right in the middle for you to change it. But you need to make sure you open up this corner, this section, and check for any debris or any paper jam. This is where to check. Okay, if you have any paper jam or paper stuck anywhere, you need to come open this up and check. Okay, there's a spring here, just need to open it up, and also once you finish, you push it right back. And also you can close this and also check at the back right here by opening the paper tray. Okay, check over here. Once you open this tray up, also look over here for any paper jam. Okay, this is how to check and where to look for. And once you finish, make sure you close this down and bring the printer down. Okay, so this is how to load the ink cartridges and also check for any paper jam. Thank you very much indeed, and stay blessed. If you're happy with this tutorial, please do consider to subscribe. It helps us to grow. Thank you.